What's your problem? I'm too smart for the first grade. My sister's in grade 3 and I'm smarter than her too. Let's go and see what the principal has to say. Okay. I'll give him a test, and if he fails just one question, he has to go back to class and be quiet. Okay. What's 3 times 3? 9. What's 6 times 6? 36. I see no reason why he can't go to the 3rd grade. He answered my questions correctly. Can I ask him some questions? Of course. What does a cow have 4 of that I only have 2 of? Legs. What do you have in your pants that I don't have? Pockets. What does a dog do that a man steps into? Pants. What starts with F and ends with K? Fire truck. Put him in the 5th grade. I got the last 4 questions wrong myself.